Very good evening, children. This is English class, the next chapter, the Unit 4, Friend in Need. So before going to the unit, we'll start introduction. We'll go for the introductory part of the lesson. So I want to ask some questions, children. When someone is in trouble, suppose somebody is walking, one old lady, grandmother is walking on the way when it is sunny day. What you feel when she is tired and can't walk properly? What will do? Definitely, surely will go towards her and help her by giving a stick or holding her hands, and you will give water. When somebody, not only her, somebody is feeling thirsty, you will give water. When your friend is in trouble, you will go to help him, and you will help your parents, your neighbors, isn't it? So this is the unit. Friend in need means you will help to someone who are in the need. The real friend is the friend who helps in trouble. Boy and girls, when they become friends, help each other, help one another. Isn't it? The friends help one another in study, in playing, everything. He is said to be the real friend. When you are in trouble, if your friend is helping, he is said to be your real friend. You will not think about his richness or poverty. Whether rich or poor, you will go for helping him. This is called the real friendship. So this lesson is about the friendship and how the friend help to his real friend. And this is the part taken from Mahabharata. Okay, this character is, can you identify this character? Okay, I will ask you a question. How many children has Kunti has? Kunti has 5 children, but not only, Karna was also her son. So this is lesson about Karna, who was friend of Duryodhana. Okay, I'll tell something introduction about this lesson, then we'll go for the lesson. Sage Durvasa had taught Kunti in mantra. It was a secret verse to invoke gods. ದುರ್ವಾಸ ಮುನಿ ಕುಂತಿ ದೇವಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಕುಂತಿ ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ ಏನು ಮಾಡ, ಆಕೆ ಭಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿ ಒಂದು ಮಂತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ. ಯಾವ ದೇವರ ಮಂತ್ರ ನೀನು ಜಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿ, ಆ ದೇವರು ನಿನಗೇನಾಗ್ತಾನ, ನಿನಗೆ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಹರ್ ವಿತ್ ಸನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಂದ್ರದೇವನ ಆಕಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಆ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂದ್ರದೇವನಂತ ಮಗನ ಅಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಹುಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವರುಣದೇವನ ನೆನೆಸಿದ್ರೆ, ಜಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಆ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಸನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಗ್ಲೋರಿ. ಓಕೆ, by curiosity, Kunti invoked Surya, the sun god, and was blessed with the child. ಆಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಭಾಳ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ತಡಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ, ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್, ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸನ್ ಗಾಡ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ, ಆ ಮಂತ್ರನ, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು. ಅವಾಗೇನಾಯ್ತು, ಲೇಟರ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕೇರ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಆಕೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸನ್ ಹುಟ್ಟಿತು, ಸೇಮ್ ಸನ್ ಗಾಡ್ನಂತದ, ಸೂರ್ಯನಂತದ ಒಂದು ಬೇಬಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಬಿಡ್ತು. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಹಾಕತ್ತು. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕೇರ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಶಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಬೇಬಿ ಇನ್ ಎ ಬಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ರಿವರ್. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಕುಂತಿ. ಶಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಬೇಬಿ ಇನ್ ಎ ಬಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್. ಆ ಮಂತ್ರ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕಾಕಿ ಸನ್ ಗಾಡ್ನ ನೆನೆಸಿದ್ಲು. ಆವಾಗ ಈ ಕರ್ಣ ಬೇಬಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿತು. ಅದನ್ನ ಆಕಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಒಂದು ಬಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಹಾಕಿ ನದಿಯೊಳಗೆ ತೇಲ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು. ಹಿ ಗ್ರೂ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಧಿರಥಾಸ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಧಿರಥ ಅನ್ನೋವಿರ್ತಾವನ, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಥ ನಡೆಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಧಿರಥ, ಅವನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅದು ಬೆಳೀತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಎ ಹೀರೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ Karna, the hero of this lesson. Karna, the Mahabharata had begun. Kunti was scared about the fight between the Pandavas and Karna and decided to speak Karna and him the secret of his birth and convince him to leave Duryodhana's side and come and join the Pandavas, because Pandavas are your brothers. So Kunti visited the on the bank of river Ganga when he was giving arghya to the sun in the evening. He waited for Karna and she revealed the truth of being his mother. Surya, as his father, said him not to fight against Pandavas. So she requested to join Pandavas and not to fight against Pandavas. But Karna refused Kunti's talk and said Adhiratha was his father, because he grew up in the Adhiratha's son. Okay, so Adhiratha and his father was Adhiratha, and Radha, his mother, who stood with him along with his life. She shown a lot of affection and love, and she cared him, so she stood along with him in his life. Kunti, being his mother, did not help him during Krupa's challenge. Kunti protested his words. Karna said Duryodhana never mattered, that he was a charioteer's son. He gave him wealth, kingdom, power and army. So being a friend, he helped everything. He provided everything to him to become a king. He gave wealth, kingdom and power and army also. He questioned Kunti that how could he desert his own friend and join the Pandavas? Is it possible to leave him, such a nice friend? How could he leave and join the Pandavas? Would it be right? So this lesson is about the discussions between Kunti and Karna, Krishna and also Karna. Let us see what will happen in this lesson. So children, as I go on reading, you also keep finger and try to learn the words. Unit 4, Friend in Need. Boys and girls, when they become friends, help one another. Imagine that a boy is in trouble. What will his friend do? Will he just walk away? Whenever your friend is in trouble, will you walk simply? You will go towards him and ask the help, and definitely will help him, because he is your friend. You are his friend. No, he will stay with his friend and help him. Now tell me that, has any one of you helped your friend at any time? Now tell me, children, in what way you have helped your friends when he has no pen, when he has no water, when he is in the need of book or anything, textbook, if he is not bringing the materials, the compass box. So such helps you have made, I think. So this is the common help you are doing your friends. Whenever your friends are in trouble, you have to go and help them. Now I will give you hints for 2 very short stories. Use these hints and tell me the stories. What is this hint is given? Lion sleep, mouse disturb, not kill, lion net, and roar, mouse, cut and save. See, these are hints are given, some words are given. Using these hints, words, so you have to tell the story. This is lion and a mouse. The story is about the sleeping lion and the mouse was disturbing the lion. That time the lion became angry and holding it roars. But the mouse says, requests, no, don't kill me. I will also help you whenever you are in trouble. Now just leave me. I will also help you. So this is the story about lion and mouse. And what is this? Another one? Bird, hunter, arrow, ant, bit, save, and ant, river, bird, leaf, save. See, using these, you have to tell me the story. Tomorrow's homework is tell me the story about this bird, the hunter, and a bird. You have to tell me the story. And the sage Durvasa had taught Kunti a mantra. ಸೇಜ್ ದುರ್ವಾಸ ಮುನಿಗಳು ಕುಂತಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಂತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಆಕೆ ಭಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿ ಒಂದು ಮಂತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ವರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ದ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್. ವೆನ್ ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ಡ್, they would appear before her and bless her with a sons. See, what was the secret of that mantra? When we invoke, when we call that mantra, when we invoke that mantra, would we appear before her and bless her with sons equal to themselves in glory. ಅದೆಂಥ ಮಂತ್ರ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ, ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ಸೂರ್ಯದೇವನ ನೆನೆಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯದೇವನಂತ ತೇಜಸ್ಸಿರುವಂಥ ಮಗನೇ ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂದ್ರದೇವನ ನೆನೆಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂದ್ರದೇವನಂಥ ತೇಜಸ್ಸಿರುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅಂಥ ಮಂತ್ರ ಇತ್ತದು. ಓಕೆ. ದ ಯಂಗ್ ಕುಂತಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹರ್ Swayamvara because she was still unmarried. She was waiting in a Swayamvara. What do you mean by Swayamvara? You know, children? Swayamvara ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾಲ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂದಿರ್ತಿದ್ಲು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಆಕಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಕಿ ಮಾಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಕಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ವಯಂವರ ಇನ್ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಯ್ತಕಿ. ಶಿ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಮಂತ್ರ. ನಾ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೀಗ ಅನಿಸ್ತಕಿಗೆ. ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಬಿ ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತದಾ ಹಂಗಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ಡ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಆ ಸೂರ್ಯದೇವನ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು. ದ ಸನ್ ಗಾಡ್. ಆಗೇನಾತಕಿಗೆ ಹೀ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಹೂ ವುಡ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಟು ಬಿ the greatest of all heroes. Now she got a child who would prove to be the same, like so much powerful, like son God's son. Then with this baby in her arms, Kunti wondered. When she invoked God Surya mantra, she was blessed with Surya's baby. She wondered, and how will I explain the child? ನಾ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಗುವಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮೀ? ನಾ ಏನಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ನಂಬ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ? ನಾ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮಗು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಂತಂದು ಯಾರು ನಂಬ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ಅಂತಕಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು? ವಂಡರ್ ಆದ್ಲು. ಸೊ with a heavy heart, she placed the baby in a basket and set it afloat on the river Ganga. She kept in a box and set it afloat in a river Ganga, in the river Ganga. He grew up in Adhiratha's house. Adhirathan maniolaga ama ಬೆಳೆದ and became a hero called Karna. He is the character of this friend in need unit. He grew up in the Adhiratha's house and became a hero called Karna. War is near, Krishna said. Now Lord Krishna came towards Karna and requested to join. Now war is near, don't fight with your brothers. Pandavas are your brothers. Don't fight with them. Join Pandavas. And said, your sons will fight against their cousins. There will be much bloodshed. See, there will be much bloodshed. See, bloodshed means flowing of blood by killing each other. Simply, all the sons will be killed. All the sons of your brothers, sons of Arjuna, sons of Bhima, Nakula, sons of Sahadeva, all will be simply killed. So Krishna said, war is near. Mahabharata ಯುದ್ಧ ಸಮೀಪ ಬರಾಕತೈತಿ. ನೀನು ಪಾಂಡವರನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗು, ಅವ್ರ ಜೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ. Okay. Remaining part I will take in the next lesson. I will complete in the next lesson. So read the lesson, children. The full lesson you have to read and be ready. Good night.